Racial profiling or good police work? That's the basic debate in Arizona over a controversial new immigration bill. A protest caravan on the way to Phoenix from L.A., illustrating how the local issue is fanning flames across the country.
Civil rights in the United States has been greatly debated upon throughout history, whether it be European immigrants, African American slaves, or even females. Many groups have had to contend their civil rights in front of the Supreme Court, and as a result, there have been many landmark Supreme Court decisions. However, the most affected group in recent times that has faced a big civil rights question is the Hispanics, especially in the case of illegal immigration. The US-Mexico border is about 2,000 miles long, and about 500,000 illegal immigrants enter the United States each year. Most seek refuge from the current situations in Mexico and Latin America, while others desire the equalities and rights promised by the United States Constitution to have a better life in America. There are those that, however, smuggle drugs across the border and have caused many problems in the border towns and states, causing many citizens living along the border to bring up a plan in order to get rid of these illegal immigrants. The current plan? The Arizona Senate recently passed a piece of legislation known as Arizona SB 1070 that makes it a state misdemeanor for an illegal alien to be in Arizona without their documentation papers. If the illegal immigrant has been caught, the U.S. Customs and Border Protection has the right to deport any illegal immigrant to their country of origin. The law also fines those that promote illegal immigration or practice it across the border. The backlash against this law has been unprecedented, especially in regards to the section underlining the need for documentation. The bill has been thought to be the result of an incident at the border where an illegal immigrant was trespassing over an American citizen's property and murdered the owner. In response, the legislation was brought up in the Arizona Senate and passed, signed into effect by the Governor Jan Brewer, and met with lots of opposition all across the country.
Governor Jan Brewer said she had considered all sides of the issue.
The controversy that has sprung from this piece of legislation? Well, it has certainly singled out a certain group of individuals, those of Hispanic descent. Many Hispanic Americans have brought up the belief that the recently signed bill will cause police to racially profile any person that looks like he or she is of Hispanic descent. Therefore, many have called this a racially discriminating law and have called for rescinding the bill. Those who are for the bill, however, have brought to the attention the benefits of having no more immigration problems coming from Mexico and other Latin American countries, especially in regards to drug and human trafficking, decreased rates of border violence, and the deaths related to border violence. Most have argued this position, along with the fact that the illegal immigrants are not citizens of this country and should go back to their home country, which has caused arguments from the other side to reveal why illegal immigrants come to America in the first place. At the current time, President Barack Obama has talked with the Arizona governor over the bill, and its constitutionality is expected to be questioned along with its alignment to the civil rights amendments in the Constitution. The Arizona law is set to go in effect in late July of this year, and for now, everyone can only wait and see what will happen next.